I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop backing up your iPhone or iPad over cellular data. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap your name and profile picture at the top of this menu. The Apple account screen is displayed. Step 2. Tap iCloud in this menu. The iCloud screen opens. Step 3. Scroll down this menu and then tap iCloud Backup. You'll land on your iCloud Backup screen. Step 4. Tap to toggle off Backup over Cellular. Your iPhone or iPad will no longer be backed up over a cellular data connection going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.